Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to bulk export Google Groups in Google Workspace with XFanatical Foresight. Exporting Google Groups in bulk is tedious and error-prone, and also not supported natively in Google Workspace. That's where XFanatical Foresight comes in. XFanatical Foresight automates bulk export of Google Groups with just a few clicks, saving time, reducing errors, and ensuring data integrity. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into XFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Export Google Groups template and click on it. In the Export Google Groups page, click Copy Rule. For the first time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Export Google Groups will display. Click the Next button, then click the Review button. In the review screen, customize the rule name and click the Create button. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. Go back to the Rules page. Click the play icon of Copy of Export Google Groups rule. This process would take a few seconds to complete, so wait until you receive a success notification. Click the notification icon and click the View Log button. Click the Here button to download the exported Google Groups CSV file. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.